Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Regents Chemistry. Today we'll start this course with the first chapter, which is Math of Chemistry. This is where we will be talking about pretty much most of the mathematical concepts that we will be using moving forward throughout the school year. The first topic that we'll be talking about today, very important, is what is chemistry? So chemistry is basically the study of matter. That's how we define this. Now, what is matter? That might be your next question. Well, matter is anything out there that has some mass and it can occupy some space, which means it has some sort of volume. Now, when you take a look around you, you will notice that literally everything that you see has some sort of mass and it does occupy some space. Even if it's very, very little, it does occupy some space. So we can say that technically matter is everything, which then leads us to say that, you know what? Chemistry is basically the study of everything out there, which is why it is so important. But make sure that whenever you're asked to define chemistry, you don't say chemistry is the study of everything. Just say chemistry is the study of matter. That's the fancy definition that we use to define it. Okay, so let's quickly look at some of the branches of chemistry. The first one is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is basically the branch that studies all of the compounds that contain carbon. And then we have the opposite of this, which is the inorganic chemistry, which basically studies all of the compounds that do not have carbon. And then we've got biochemistry, which is the study of chemical reactions, chemical processes, all that good stuff in living things. And then we have the analytical chemistry, which deals with it is the study to basically separate, identify, qualify, and do all that good stuff with the material. So, for example, some of the things that analytical chemists do are drug testing or determining how much caffeine do you have in your cup of coffee, stuff like that. And then finally, we have physical chemistry, which basically just relates the physical properties of anything that we are looking at with its chemical composition. So why does something behave like this? Because of its chemical composition. That's what physical chemists do. So that was a very short, quick, nice video to give you guys an intro of what chemistry is. Happy learning. I will see you guys in the next part of this unit.